you been? Where you really been? Yeah.
So ready, my love?
Yeah.
Welcome back to, I don't know if this is vlog 3 or 4 that this is going to go into, but it is Bank Holiday Monday.
4.
It is very windy and very chilly, whereas we had a lovely weekend of sunshine, so obviously we got nothing done on the van because we were too busy enjoying the sunshine. But over the next couple of days we are going to...
Not really sure. Got lots of odd jobs that need doing, like finishing up the trim and the cladding and stuff like that. And yeah.
I'm hopefully going to finish the cabinets. They need to have a nice good painting session done to them. And we're going to paint them white. We asked on our Instagram channel, Minnie the Van, what colour we should paint the cabinets, and we had a few interesting responses. It's definitely not going to be pork pie brown. We've decided to go with white. Any other updates? Oh, it's really windy. I'm worried my camera's going to be tipped over. We've just got to order the solar panels. The only bad thing about the solar panels, when we looked, there was like nothing was coming out until, when was it?
Well, yeah, the ones we wanted weren't in stock till like 11th of May, which is quite a long time, about a month.
Although who knows, we could be still here in a month's time. The way things are going at the moment, it's probably quite likely that we will still be here in May. So yeah, we'll just have to see. Oh, it's so cold and windy. That's it. On to the next bit.
Cut.
So I am going to crack on with the cabinets today because it's a lovely sunny day and Rupert is going to finish up the bench boxes. So my first task is to using this wood filler stuff, and I'm just putting it on top of these screws here where we've screwed in, and then I'm going to flatten it all out so that there's no like little knobbly bits when we come to putting the first coat of paint on. Whoa! That truly is fantastic. That truly is fantastic. What about the cabinets? Whoa, they are truly fantastic too! Go check out what David Attenborough's doing.
Pardon?
What are you doing?
Just doing my seeds. So, butternut squash coming up there, tomatoes, basil, and then all that's nothing happening just yet.
What will it be?
Courgette, cucumber, lettuce, thyme, dill, cress, parsley. The end.
So it's another day, another coat of paint. This is coat number 3, I think. We've done 2 sands. Yep. So I'm going to paint it now, and then do another sand, and then hopefully do another paint tomorrow. We are also expecting our IKEA kitchen cabinet delivery to arrive today. That's what they've texted us and said. So that's really, really exciting, and that's it, really. No other updates for you. Rupert? His headphones on. How are you getting on?
Alright, thank you.
Where are you up to?
2 seconds. We're just building our kitchen units, which are actually from IKEA, because we decided that it would be a lot easier to build IKEA units with soft closed drawers and nice things like that.
What's been the one problem that we feel like we've just encountered since ordering our IKEA stuff?
The sink. Let that sink in.
Let's sink in.
The sink's absolutely massive, which we did measure it when we ordered it. But
can you hold my hand whilst of course no. No, of course not. You can just fall over, Emma.
It's that.
Which is huge. Can you crouch down next to it so we can get an idea? It doesn't look as big when you do that. But it's massive. It's like a full, like you could bathe at least 10 babies in there. It's pretty big.
Ready?
Whoa!
It's not a good bit.
Oh my goodness
Those
me.
are just covers on the front. They're all white. Those are just protective covers, those blue bits.
Oh, I thought it was going to be that blue in real life.
Wait,
nice.
I'll do a puppet show.
What's that supposed to be?
A crocodile eating a
That's not a crocodile.
A stingray.
A stingray? Where's the stingray?
Dead.
It's not really a puppet.
You're welcome. That's the end. Shout hello subscribers.
Hello subscribers.
Louder.
Hello subscribers.
Bit louder.
Hello subscribers.
Louder.
So we're making our cushion covers. Well, I'm making our cushion covers with some help from Rupert's mum, and we're going for quite a basic design. A, because I've never made anything like this before, or anything full stop, but also because we're not using cushions, we're going to fill it with our jumpers. So step one is we've cut the material down into 3. This is the back and this is the front, and then fold it down the sides there and there, and we're going to make it as like a little flap, and then you like shove all the jumpers in there. And now I'm just gonna sew along the lines. I have sewn these 2 parts. This one is a little bit more wonky, as you can see, but that's not bad for a first attempt. So this is going to be the inside and this will be the outside. So this is stage 2 complete. Okay, so now we have pinned in all along the outside of the 2 bits of fabric together. So you've got kind of the opening in the middle, and I've also trimmed down on both sides the fabric so that they were flush against the side of each other, because there were some parts that were overlapping because I did a terrible job at measuring them out. So I am now just going to sew along the seams. And I think I might miss the bits out that are here because I think this is going to be too thick to sew across, and I probably will just try and hand stitch those. But yeah, moving on.
Electrical cables. Circuit breaker.
What are you most excited about on that haul?
So this solar charge controller, bit from Victron.
What am I most excited about?
What? They're sweets! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! Right, we've absolutely nailed it this week. That's the end of the vlog. See you next time. We've been very busy, so there's lots to look forward to in the next video. So see you then.